Days after the University Grants Commission exempted colleges in Meghalaya affiliated to the Northeastern Hill University from appearing the CUET exam, students expressed mixed responses on the matter. Speaking to Doordarshan, some students said that the exam is important for them as it brings about a level playing field with students across the country. However, some teachers felt that the difference in the state syllabus might become a hurdle for the students. It may be mentioned that Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad Kesangma sent a letter to Union Minister for Education Dharmendra Pradhan urging him to exempt the state from CUET as Meghalaya had recently undergone the Legislative Assembly election. Following the request, the centre responded and exempted the colleges in the state from appearing the exam.
Na ang bantoy ka CUET kan ba nangipet kiwi-kiwi ki state kiale akan ka exam na kipendu na akan ka exam ka along ba kalapni ba ka educational system jengi hani Meghalaya ka along backwards ba it's very competitive outside FP Meghalaya jengi naki remove na akan padam ka along ka Meghalaya ngi ka apoy siya po ka liang ka education kan.
I urge and then I encourage all my fellow friends, they should write CUET because seriously for education level it is very good. You can upgrade your knowledge very high. So for me it's rate 10 out of 10.
And a quick look at the weather report.